how to enable or disable HD audio on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Wallpaper option. After click on Wallpaper option, scroll down and search HD audio from here. Scroll down. You will see HD audio is here. If you want to enable HD audio, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see HD audio is enabled. If you want to disable HD audio, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see HD audio is disabled. You will enable or disable HD audio from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable HD audio on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.